valuation test exam, and here I was explaining to my YouTube to my students here in tuitions. So I thought, why not to share it with my YouTube audience as well, so that it will be a great help to the students there, as they have other exams too, as robotics. So if they just listen to my video here, then it will be a help. Tomorrow they can write in their exam. Actually, valuation is nothing but writing moral values, and the question will come on those only. But a little vocabulary and some of the explanations that I'm flowing to my students here will be a great help for you too. So let's proceed. So another lesson number 9 from your valuation book, that is, the heading is reaching out. Here a story. The story was about rich and the poor. So we all are we generals are very much facilitated. We generals are very much facilitated with, we have everything in our access. Our parents provide us with everything. The food we want, the clothing we want, wherever we want to go around, move around, the things we want, everything is in our access, and they facilitate us. They facilitate and avail us everything. But there is a segment of people in the same society who are underprivileged. They're not provided. Okay, they're not provided. They're underprivileged, and they cannot facilitate such availabilities which we are blessed with. Okay, so we should. It is our duty people living in a good society. So as human beings and as good human beings, we should help them. We should reach out to them, and we should suffice them with whatever extra we have. Sometimes we have too many things. We have multiple things at the same time, which is just kept useless in our houses. But if we extend our help, our generosity to the people who are underprivileged, then they will be grateful to us, and they will be fulfilled with such things, and they will be very much grateful also. So we as human beings, as good citizens, we should help them. This is what is the lesson. This is what the lesson contains. Moral values. That is, one should help, reach out to the poor and the needy, and should generously give them what we have in extra. And we also should not try to waste things. What is a waste for us can be something worthy for the underprivileged or the people who are in need, who are in great need. So this is what studies have proved, that many people in our country are still they're suffering from malnutrition. How come so? Then many children are child laborers still, though we say India is a developing country. Now, when India is a developing country, then why is it that still India is suffering from child labor? That means we should have civic sense, or we should, as a good citizen of the society, we should work against this child labor. We should look to it that no child is employed in our domestic houses or in any commercial places. So we should look to it. Street children and their troubles. When we go to railway stations, bus stops, we see many children as beggars. So we should work for them also, and we should go to the grassroots level as to know that what is the reason behind their poor condition. When the government has taken out a lot of plans for the people of India, then how come still a certain segment of the society is still underprivileged, and that they're forced to do begging? Okay, girl children, lot of plans and lot of implementation in our constitution is there for the protection of girl child. Okay, still we see a lot of news on the social media, on television screens, that so and so happened, so and so cases we hear. So again, here also there is need to spread awareness among the people that so and so should not be done, or such matters or such issues should be taken care of. So this is what is the girl children, that is the girl child, means we should look after or take care of the girl child. So here we talked about the child labor, we talked about the street children, and this is what the lesson contains, that I briefed you quickly so that it will save your time for learning your other subject, that is robotics, when you have two subjects together tomorrow, that is robotics and valuation. I hope it will be a help for you. And yes, if you do like it, please share it with your classmates too, so that even they get help. they can also save their time. And yes, do let me know in the comment section also as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you for the next coming exams, so that again it will be help for you. And coming to the one more lesson is there, that is peace login, which is again coming in your exam tomorrow. Peace login is nothing but talking about how a person needs is nothing but peace, nothing but love. So this is what is the chapter about, that when you are at peace, then only you can keep people around you at peace, in harmony. So you need, and what do you need to be at peace? You need love, you need company, you need society, you need to be surrounded among people around you who love you. This is how you will get the mental peace or the physical peace. Okay, this is what is the chapter talking about. Here some keywords are given here, like tolerance, forgiveness, compassion, appreciation of the other, helping hand, sensitivity to the feelings of others. Talking about tolerance, we should when we talk about tolerance, means we should bear people as and how they are, or we should take for granted as and how people are, and not to complain about people that they are so and so. So that is what is tolerance, that is bearing people as and how they are. Next, talking about forgiveness. Forgiveness means, that is excusing people. If they have done wrongs to us, then we excuse people, we forgive them. This is what is called forgiveness. Talking about compassion. Compassion, when we are too much engrossed in something or the other, that is what is compassion. We should have compassion for doing things. Then coming about appreciation, when somebody is helping us out or doing something good, then we should definitely appreciate them. This is what is appreciation. Even appreciation helps people in progressing, in encouraging them to do things. And when we appreciate each other, we also encourage ourselves, build in confidence not only in us but in others too. And then helping hand, this is very much obvious. We should help our parents, we should help our elders at home, we should help people when we walk on road, if they need to cross road, if the old age people are there, if the small children are there, if someone in need is there, then we should definitely extend our helping hands. Then talking about sensitivity to the feelings of others, we should be sensitive enough to understand the feelings of others, so that the others will like our company. If we don't understand, if we are not sensitive to their feelings, then definitely the other person will dislike our company, our presence. Then so that is the need, that is we should be very much sensitive to people around us. This is what is the chapter contains. So I have tried to briefed you with this lesson, that is peace login. So this is what is your validation portion, and I already explained to my students about Nature's Lab, which talks about balance of nature, that we should not challenge nature, we should not challenge Mother Earth. Ultimately, Mother Earth or nature balances itself, so one should not challenge nature. And sold out means, when we are sold out, when we are sold out at the hands of television, at the hands of mobile phones. So we should know the negative and the positive effects of too much of television screens and too much of mobile phones. Both the negative and the positive one we should know. Celebrating love, definitely we all are part of the society, we all are social animals, we all need love, and we should celebrate love. Love can be in the form of mother son, it can be form of a brother sister, it can be in the form of husband and wife, it can be in the form of grandparents and granddaughters and grandsons. So love can be in the form of friends, love can be in the form of teacher student, love can, so all these are bondings which we should cherish, and we should apply in our lives, and we should extend to each others as well. So these are these are the lessons that we were talking about. Thank you, friends. I hope you must have learned a lot of vocabulary, lot of that is the moral values that I gave you. All the best for your exam. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.